Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. PlayStation, the app, PlayStation, the server down, the PlayStation, the gaming play software, but any problem, the server has been down. PlayStation networks and PS5 and PS4, the server down, and something server and expire issue. And account gaming, social media, video storage, and different the error problem and mostly error code. The error problem WS-116449-5. The error problem, the starting the game has been error problems. The game has been not working, but any solve the issue.